Someone should let me know, ma, whether we are recording or not. I forgot to record the session till now. That's fine. Let me try to tell you again. Okay, no problem. Can I explain it again or else no need?
एक बार just briefly
Sir,
explain.
explain, please.
Yeah. So actually, let me try to explain you again. So before that, I will remove everything. Now, as you can see here, let us take this is one form. So let us assume this is an incident form. Incident form. So actually, when you are trying to click, this is a form. These are known as the columns in it. Okay. So this is a number of this particular form. So when you are trying to click on submit, first it will interacting with the ServiceNow server and then save it in a database. So basically database is nothing but the collection of tables. Database is a collection of tables. Database, we can call it as a collection of tables, and tables is a collection of
Rows and columns.
rows and
Rows and columns.
columns. Yeah. So whenever not only this incident form, if you are trying to click on problem, when you are trying to open the problem ticket, so it will open the problem record and you will be filling all the details. Later on, it will click on, it will interact with the server and then save it in a database. So now we do have two things. The user can open the new form. The user can request for the list of incidents. When he is trying to click on list of incidents, when he is trying to click on new form, it will open a new form. When the particular user is clicking on incident.list, it will request and get the database from the server or database. Yeah. So basically incident.list, it will show all the list of incidents which are there. So as I created one incident right now, let us try to create one incident again. Able tutor. Test. And whenever you are trying to click on submit, it is for 1 or 2 seconds, it is interacting with the server and setting it in a database of incident table. So as you can see here, just now it has created. Now, so user has clicked on, first he clicked on new form and he has given all the data what he need and then clicked on submit. As soon as he clicked on submit, he is interacted with the server and then saved it in a database of the incident record. In the same way, if it is a problem, then it will be the problem database. It will save in the problem one. So yeah. Yeah, thank you, man. So yeah, till here, that's perfectly fine, right? No problem at all. And one more thing, as discussed, ServiceNow will use us which database, ma?
MariaDB.
Database name is
MariaDB.
Server is Tomcat.
MariaDB. And one more thing, ServiceNow will use us database of MariaDB, and the server is
Tomcat.
Tomcat.
good.
The Tomcat.
Copy.
What's a Tomcat?
Good question, ma. Actually, someone asked this. So yeah, so it is good to know everything. And one more thing, here there is a search engine, right, ma? Here there is a search engine. So this is known as a Zing search. What it is known as? Zing. In nowadays, we are using the artificial intelligence search. Intelligent. Okay, artificial intelligence search. Now, let us try to click on this. No. So I would like to tell you some small background of tables, ma. Later on, we can move into all those things. Let me try to navigate. So basically, there are some of the important tables which are there in the service now, actually. So what are all the important tables and why we will be calling it as parent tables or all those things. So basically, whenever if you want to build any of the application, there will be some main. So first I will be telling you the graphical representation, Amma, like this. Later on, we will open the service now and tell it to you so that you will be very comfortable in understanding actually. Okay. So now, so this is known as a, let's assume we are having some important tables. As I said, ServiceNow has built with some, if you want to build any house, let's assume if you want to build any home, what would be there? What should be there? There be, should be some foundation should be right. Basement should be very strong and there should be some pillars. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. In the same way, in ServiceNow as well, ServiceNow has built, ServiceNow ITSM has built with some base tables. Those base tables name as task, CMDB, and then we will be having KB underscore knowledge. These are all the base tables. We will be calling it as what? Base table. Let us try to understand like this. Basement. Do you know basement? In the same way, in ServiceNow, we will be having base table. Base tables in ServiceNow. So in interview, if they ask, what is the base table of ServiceNow? What is the base table of ServiceNow ITSM? So what we will call it as? Task
Task
CMDB.
CMDB KB underscore knowledge.
Yeah. So not only they will call it as a base table, someone will call it as a parent table. Okay. Someone they will call it as a parent tables. Still someone else are joining at this time as well. Yeah. Let me still navigate to here. So now, in the same way, we will be having this basement. Let's assume this is a basement, and we will be having some home. I mean rooms in it. So this is one room, this is one pillar, and this is one pillar, and this is one pillar, and all those things we will be having. So these pillars are known as, this is one room, this is one room, and this is one room. On pillars, it has, we are having a rooms. So this is known as an incident one. This is a problem.
Problem.
This is one change.
Change.
So all these are all the three main things. All the tables will sit on the top of what? Base tables. Okay. Incident, problem, change, service catalogs, whatever the tables which we are having, those will sit under the base, sit on the basement. Okay. So in the same way, we will be having all these things. Incident table, problem table, change table, and however we are having the basement as this task CMDB and knowledge articles. Now,
Hello. Hello.
let me, yeah, tell me.
Yes, change in the sense, change
Request, change
request or
request
change
table.
task.
So basically, these are all the tables, ma. So what I said, these are all the tables. What are the base tables of ServiceNow? So task CMDB knowledge. These are all the base tables. On top of it, we do have incident, problem, and change. These are
Okay.
the tables. See,
Yes, understood. The change in the sense, change
change underscore
request.
request table.
Okay.
Change underscore request table. This is a
Okay.
change request table actually. Okay. Now let me try to navigate to the service now. Before navigating to the service now, I will do one thing. Yeah. Now, if anyone asks in the interview, what are all the base tables in service now? What will you say? Base tables or parent tables in service now? What will you say, ma'am?
Task
Task
CMDB,
table,
KB
CMDB,
underscore
CA table, and
knowledge.
KB underscore knowledge table.
So let me try to, before navigating into service now, let me try to note down some important tables in service now. You need to write these particular tables. Okay. For incident, what we have, what is the table name of incident? Tell me.
Incident dot list.
Incident dot form.
Don't forget about dot list, dot do all those things. Those are the developer shortcuts. Okay. So as you can see
Incident
here,
is the name.
incident is the table name. Okay. No, incident is a table name. For problem, PROBLM. For
Problem.
problem is the table name. For change,
Change.
we are having change. We are having change underscore.
Request.
So you have to remember this for sure, ma, without any stoppings, or else without any doubt, you need to definitely remember these particular tables. You need these particular. If you are in a service now, it should be in your hearts. Okay, and you have to remember by heart these particular tables. Okay, I will tell you. We do have multiple tables to remember. So these tables. These are all the minimum tables which I was trying to tell you. Okay. So let us try to tell you these three names first. For task, we will be having the
Task.
task table. So later on, tomorrow, I will tell you the relationship. What is the difference between these tables and these tables? I will tell you the difference in the upcoming sessions. For now, you should remember these things. Okay. CMDB. CMDB underscore CI. So I don't want to drag directly and say you that this is a task table, this is a parent table, this is a child table, this is a relationship. If I say like that, you will won't remember, that is for sure. Okay. So that's the reason first I will be dragging you to the low level and then I'm trying taking you to the high level. Knowledge articles. Knowledge. For knowledge, we will be having a
KB
KB
knowledge.
underscore. Try to remember these three names for sure. This is very, very important. And then important tables are incident, problem, change. These are all the, we will be having some incident task as well. For incident, we will be having incident task, task. So the table name is incident underscore
Underscore task.
task. For the problem, we will be having a problem task. For this one, we will call it as a
Problem underscore task.
problem underscore task. For change, we will be having a change task. So that would, the name should be the
Change
change underscore task. And one more thing we will be having is like
incident task.
no, incident task is finished now. Incident task. So we will be having some catalog tasks one. Okay. For request, request, we will be having a SC underscore request. SC stands for service catalogs. Okay. So basically, this is totally different again. This comes under the ITSM process. ITSM process. This is known as the request management. What it is known as?
Request management.
Request management or service catalog. We will call it as service catalogs like that. Okay, ma? SC underscore request. SC stands for
Service catalog.
a requested item. So this is known as an SC underscore request underscore item. Okay. Now let us try to navigate to some of the catalog task also. I need catalog task. So catalog task. For catalog task, we will be having SC underscore task. Okay. Now let us try to navigate to the user related tables. User related tables. Now we will be having user table. What is the user table? Sys
This
underscore
underscore user.
user table. These are very, very important, ma. We will in interviews they will ask role table. Sys underscore
Oh,
user underscore
oh.
role table. And we do have a groups. In the groups we will be having sys underscore user underscore group. And we will be having some user roles table. User roles table. So sys underscore user underscore as underscore role table. Okay, we will be having user groups. So we will be having sys underscore user underscore gr member table. Okay, and we will be having some department cmn underscore department table and location cmn underscore location table company cmn underscore company, and we will be having cost center. Cost center is no need, but it's fine. Use please try to remember this name as well. Cost center. So in this cost center, we will be having a cmn underscore cost underscore center country. CONTR. No one asked what is meant by CMN.
I was about to ask where.
Cost underscore country. Common tables. Okay, these are all the common tables, and we will be yeah. Please try to. I will tell you each and everything in detail.
Sir, one doubt.
Yeah.
So for company, when I'm typing on ServiceNow, on URL it is coming as core underscore companies. Table name is CMN
Yes,
underscore
yes, 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 yes.
company.
Sorry. Core
Core.
underscore company on there. Yes, yes.
Okay.
1 second, ma. Good. Core underscore company. Sorry.
Okay.
Good question. Good catch, ma. Thank you so much. So, can you please, CMA underscore department is definitely fine. So, I have gone with the go confidence. So, yeah,
Yeah, the
company
rest
is a
all are
core
correct.
company. Country, can you please see the country?
Country is core underscore country only.
I think, yeah. Core underscore country. Good. Correct only. I have written correct only for this. Okay. Chalo. Now, these are all the things which I remembered. So some of them are system defined tables will be there. System, I can say it as system tables. So you please try to remember this one for sure. So actually, we are talking about all these tables, right? Incident table, problem change, request management, SN score request, SC request task, and service catalog task, user table, groups table, roles table, user roles table, user groups, all those things we are talking about these things, right, ma? Yes or no? So, where all the tables will stay? Where all the tables will stay?
Database.
Database.
Table.
In the database. Perfectly. For that particular database as well, we do have one table. Sys underscore.
DB underscore object.
Perfect. db underscore object. Sys underscore db underscore object. We do have dictionary. Sys underscore dictionary. What is meant by dictionary? I will tell you. See, dictionary, where all the fields. We basically, if you see this, not only the incident. If you are opening this one new, these are all known as what, ma? These are all known as what?
Fields.
Fields, na?
Fields.
Good. So basically, they are all known as the fields. So if you are trying to click on incident dot form, these are all the fields. So basically, these all fields should store in one table. So that table is known as a dictionary table. Okay. And one more thing, the word, I mean, when you are reflecting on the channel, when you are trying to check this category, if you are right click on this particular thing, and if you are clicking on show, what is the field name of this particular color?
Category.
Sorry, yeah. What is the field name of this particular category? Category.
Category.
It is showing as capitals. And one more thing, if you are trying to clicking on show category, it is showing in a small letters, right? Always try to remember the backend name of this particular particular category will be not only the category, whatever the things which you are reflecting, these are known as the labels. What it is known as?
Labels.
Labels. And the backend name will be there in the shortcuts, shortcut. Like for this, it is having the color for category. For color, if you are clicking on this, we are having the caller ID like this. Just a minute, ma. Just a minute. Someone came. Yeah, sorry for the inconvenience. So yeah, as you can see here, we do have. If you are trying to click on a service, right click and check what is the field name of that business underscore service. So the actually, if you notice, this is a this is a actual label. In the back end, they have written the name it as
Business service.
business service. Yeah. The backend names will store in the sys underscore dictionary. The front end names will store in the labels. This is known as sys underscore documentation dot list. They will store where, ma? The labels will store in
This underscore documentation.
sys underscore documentation. So if you see here, we will be having, if for impact, we are what we are having, how many choices we are having?
Three choices.
Three choices. For category, subcategory,
Three choices.
Three.
three choices. In the same way, for state, we are having multiple choices, right? So basically, these choices also should store in one table, right?
Yes.
So that particular table is known as a sys underscore choice. CHOICES. Sys underscore choice. If you want, you please take the screenshot and paste it in your room and please write it this particular tables. Okay. Each and every table I will explain you. Okay, for each and every table has its own what I can say
Do they have
department or
the
else a speciality, whatever the things which we will call it as. Okay, now that's it, ma. These are all the major points which we want to do. And one more thing, ma. If you want to check the version of this particular instance, what will you do?
Tax dot.
Dot two.
Perfect. starts dot do. Check the version of instance. And we do have cache.doma. C small. Clears all the
cache.
cache or temporal data. So let us try to click on cache. So if you feel some slowness in the instance, you can try this. Okay, servlet memory, everything will get cleared. Okay, cache.do. Here there is an option called clear cache. Yeah. So now let me try to.
I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, what is chassis, sir?
Huh?
This
Like,
chassis.
so actually, if I say one small thing in our easy things, whenever you are trying to run your mobile or run your mobile, or else if you are trying to run your mobile for more than 5 hours, 6 hours, your mobile will get struck, right? For some moment.
It
Yes, sir.
slows down.
So basically, there will be in the back end, there will be some processes which will be running. Without your permission, it will run in the back end. So that will make your system to run very slow and your mobile will get heated. I mean, the mobile will become very heat, na? So that's the reason what you will be doing. You will be just try to lock your mobile phone for some time, or else you will. We are having one minimizing option. So you will just click on that and clear. I mean, clear or
Yes,
close all
yes.
the applications which are currently running. Am I right?
Yes.
As
Yes, sir.
because that is a mobile phone, you will be doing like that. So this is a ServiceNow's browser, and you are running the ServiceNow's instance more than the time. So that is the reason you will be doing this cache.do. In the backend data, it will get cleared.
Okay, okay, sir.
Unwanted things will get cleared.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Sir, is it like virus?
No. Virus is different. If there is a virus, you will. I mean, the files which are there with you will be corrupted.
Okay,
It will become non-readable manner.
okay,
Okay, that is different. Virus is different. This
okay,
is just a cache. It will hold the RAM, hold the RAM data and all.
okay, okay, sir.
Yeah. Now, when you click on this, that's fine. Right? For now, you please try to remember these tables. I hope everyone have access for this, right? So incidents, we will have all the incidents. Problem request, change request, all change requests will be there. And all this request management in all these things. In user table, all the users will stay in the user table. So what is meant by user in ServiceNow? Do you know who is the user of ServiceNow?
Developer.
The one
Employees.
who have access to this instance is the user. So if you see the users who are using this particular instance, how many users are there, ma?
627.
627.
One.
627 users are there. Out of these 627 users, there are only 7 to 8 developers. All the users are end users. Okay, no need to go deeper into it. These are all known. These will all comes under the user administration topic. User administration. So these all will comes under the user administration topic, ma. You don't worry. No. You have to by heart this for sure, ma. Okay, I will tomorrow I will ask this.
Yeah, Imran, like creating a user also will be code under user administration, right?
Yes. Those will taken care by administrators, not our developers.
Okay.
Okay, let us try to create our new table, ma. Okay, let us try to create a like the way we will be having incident, problem, change, right? In change, all these tables we are having, right? So like the way we need to create a new table. Let us try to create a new table. Now, just click on this. One second. So now, where all the tables will stay, as I said, all the tables will stay where, ma?
Database.
In the database. What is the
Database.
data? What is it known as?
This underscore DB underscore object.
Object. Correct. Just copy this name, or else just click on tables. First, I will show you on the front end. Later on, we can copy the backend names and do some whatever it is. So just click on. If you want to create a new table, first you need to navigate to where? Tables. And in the tables, we are having an option called system definition. What it is?
Some definition.
System definition. First, we need to navigate to system definition and then tables. So, do we have Mohsin in our call?
Yeah, I'm here.
Hi.
Hi.
I just wanted to talk to you. Okay, please call me after the session, okay?
Yeah, sure, I'll call you.
Yeah. So, I hope you are understanding each and everything very clearly.
Yeah,
Yeah. It is not like the past one which you joined, right?
yeah, it's different.
Yeah, thank you. So if you are comfortable with it, just let me know. Okay. If you are feeling some difficulties, also tell me first. Later on, I will change still something. Okay.
Yeah, sure, thank you.
Yeah. So system definitions, and then just click on tables. So you want to create a new table, right? These are all the tables. How many tables we are having for now? 5,000.
353.
5,353 tables are there. Out of 5,353 tables, we need to remember these for sure. These are all the very, very important things which we need to remember for sure. Okay, mostly I have written only 10 to 15 tables. These things you have to remember. That's it, ma. Okay. So now tables. When you, as I said, you where all the tables will stay in which data, in which table?
Sys underscore DB underscore object.
So table
This
underscore
underscore db
DB object.
underscore object. Copy this. And you are trying to create a new table now. So, new table. Let me try to create the Hitachi. Table name is also
Hitachi.
Hitachi table. So that's it. So automatically it has taken the backend name and all those things are fine. Columns. I haven't created any columns yet. Okay, please try to remember it. And controls. Controls, there is an auto number. Let me try to do this one later. Okay, no problem. Let me try to click on auto number to true. And we are having a prefix called hit. So we are having a number. So we have given the number and all these things are fine. Later on, I am trying to submit the record. That's it. This is where the simple thing how we create a new table.
Hello. Yeah, sir. How you created that user role?
Huh?
Can you go back to the table?
The one which I created.
Yes.
Okay.
In that there was a role, right, in the control. Yes, this one.
Yeah, forget about this for now.
Okay.
No, we are just checking about auto number. So I will tell you why these are getting created. These will get as soon as you create a table, a role also will get generated, and for access controls also will get generated. For each and everything, we are having a new topic, Ray. Okay,
Okay.
forget about this role for now. Why? Because as I said, we are having a user administration topic. When the user administration topic, I will tell roles will come. Okay.
Okay, fine.
So for now, we are teaching only about this tables and columns and all. Okay. So
Okay.
now the table got created. Now, as you can see here, whenever you created a new table, the backend name of this starts with what?
Hitachi.
Hitachi.
U underscore. What is meant by user? U underscore.
User.
User
User.
created.
User.
User created. So if you see all the tables like incident, problem, change, do we have U underscore in front of it?
No.
No. It have U underscore in it. As because the user created. I have created a table. Nah. That's the reason it is showing like that. So one more important question they will ask in the interview as. So just click on this. Yeah. Come on. Not this. So just try to go to the Hitachi. Just click on this. Just click on new. Do we have any columns here?
No.
No.
We need to configure a new columns and all. So before that, just try to configure, go to the table. You can directly navigate the table from here. Instead of navigating to the sys underscore db underscore object dot, object dot list and navigating to the Hitachi HIT and then opening this, we can directly navigate to our particular table and then just click on right click and click on that. So now columns. So actually, do we have created any table? Do we have any created any field, ma? Have we created any field by default?
No.
Where these all fields got created then? Updated by, created by, updates and the society. Where this come? Basically this number has came because I have clicked on auto number. That is a different scenario. Okay, so forget about this one. As because I clicked on auto number, it has got created. Okay, but what about other things like created by, updated by?
Auto generated one.
Perfect. So basically, let us frame this question. Okay, they will definitely ask this question in the interview. When you create a table, what all fields will gets generated by default? Tell me, ma.
Created by.
One second. Created
by.
Updated by.
Created by. Updated.
And
Created by.
Updates and
By.
Updates.
updates sys underscore ID.
That's it. So these all things you need to remember for sure. Okay. When we are asking, when you are lead as well, you need to tell this particular default fields which will get generated by default. Okay. What are the default fields, ma? Created by, updated by, and
Updates
updates to the system.
underscore ID.
Yeah. Now let us try to navigate to the table. So whenever you are trying to click on, if you want to navigate to the table, how can I navigate, ma? You can directly click on copy and then dot form. You can also see. So that there is a number. Now let us try to, or else we are having this table. You can directly click on show form. it will directly show the form. Right click, configure. You want to create a new field, sir. What I was trying to do, ma? I was creating a
Field.
oh my god, it's already 10 now. Bro, is this fine for now today? If you are okay, then I will. Okay, let us try to create some small fields and I will tell you. Later, we will discuss. From tomorrow onwards, you will get good interest, ma. Okay, if you are comfortable till today, you will be comfortable from tomorrow as well. Okay, let us try to create a new field. Right click, configure. You can also create from form build design. You can also create from form layout. So just click on form layout for now. This is the best practice where we can create a new fields. Okay. Now, let us try to create a customer name. Customer name. Now, customer name. So actually, what should be the type in the sense data type? What is meant by a type? Here, whether that particular field should contain what. So if I see, if I try to navigate to incident, do you know what is meant by string? I taught in the past as well. If you are clicking on new,
The data type that accepts numbers, names, and characters, special characters as
special
well.
character that will define the data type. So actually, if you see here, Mark, there is a collar, right? When you are trying to click on this, it is navigating to where?
Users.
List of
Users.
users who are there in the
Username.
instance. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. So basically, here there is a short description. I can give whatever I need, right? It is accepting whatever the name it is. If I am giving the name which is not available in the user table, will it accept here?
No.
So let me first phrase a question to you. We are having user table, sys underscore user dot list. How many users are there here?
Yeah.
627.
627.
627 users, and your instance is only concerned of about only 627 users. Am I right?
Yes.
Now, when you are clicking on this particular thing, we are having 627 users. It is reflecting. I will be selecting out of 627 users. I can select one user who is affected with that particular thing, or if he is affected with any of the laptop issue, whatever it is, I can select it from the list of users. So if I am giving some name who is not there in my table, will it accept?
No.
No. So that means this particular field is a reference data type. What it is?
Reference.
Reference. Reference in the sense it is reference. We are in an incident table and we are referencing to other table records. You got
Yeah.
it? The meaning of reference?
Yeah.
Huh? Can I tell again?
Yeah, could you repeat this? I mean, here I'm in a dilemma that, who are gonna create this incident record
I
and
mean,
how
forget
this
about who are
database
creating
is
the incident
ready.
record. We are concerned about this form.
Okay,
Okay, we are concerned about this form. Okay, Madani.
okay,
We are only concerned about the form and fields for now. Who
okay,
will create the ticket? That comes under the ITIL and all. Forget about
okay,
those things. Help desk
okay,
persons will create the record. All those things they will. If you want to learn more about these things, let me tell you one more video so that
okay,
I will tell again. Again, I will repeat this thing for sure.
okay, okay,
Apart from that, if you are more interested in learning, yeah, not this, not this. Yeah, here it is. There is an incident problem changes there, right?
okay,
So here you please try to see this video. You
okay.
will understand incident problem change what it is.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So forget about who will create the incident and all. Okay.
Okay.
You are
So,
concerned about uh, one second, ma. You are concerned about no tables and the fields in it. Okay.
Okay. I mean, the one who is creating is he, I mean, does he have the access of those list of users?
Yes.
Okay, that's I mean, just want to know.
Schema. So let's take for example, you have joined in one organization. Let's take for example, you have joined in Wipro. So in Wipro, we do have an Wipro instance. In the Wipro instance, your name will get reflected. Why? Because you are a employee of Wipro.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm in an Accenture. Let's example, I joined in Accenture. Okay, my name is Imran. Or else take some unique name as Wilson. Okay, so if you find the record Wilson in Wipro, will you be able to access that Wilson here?
No.
No, he is the part of Wipro. That's the reason he can in Accenture. If you are finding Madani name, will it come?
No.
As soon as you join the organization, your name will automatically saved here in the user table of this particular instance. In the Wipro instance, your name will automatically get saved here.
Okay.
Okay, and that particular incident form is only concerned about Madani, not all the users. Only the users who are there, 627 users, only this form is concerned about only the 627 users, not more than this. Okay.
Got it.
Now, let us try to take some name. So, this type of field is known as what? Reference data type. What it is known as? Reference data type. So, one more thing, you please try to see this video as well, ma. My button.
Yeah, sure, I do. Yeah.
Please try to do
Thanks.
it. Where it is? Where is my form? Yeah, here it is. So this is my form, and I'm trying to create a new field, which is a data type of what? Reference. Customer name. Reference. And it is referencing to which table?
Users table.
User table. Add it. And one more thing, I want to get the issue. Like the way in incident form, we are having a short description and description, right? So he needs to enter some issue. My laptop is not working as expected, or Hitachi, my washing machine is not working as expected, my internet is not good. So that type of things he needs to enter, right? So that means which data type it should have?
String.
String. Why? Because it should accept
Names, equals, and
name,
special
all those
characters as
things.
well.
So
Like
special
he
characters,
will
numbers.
ping a message like in the display, it is showing as like this, and some it is showing as error, and it is showing something. He will be whatever the display which he is reflecting, he can write those particular words here, right? So it should
Yes.
accept the words as well. So that's the reason I will be taking what, ma?
String.
Okay, now listen carefully, bro. Tomorrow I may take or not take the session. Okay, no problem. Tomorrow is Saturday, na? Let us halt for the today. Okay. Now, okay, just okay. It's already 10:15 now. Okay, let us take account number. Account number will be in which data type, ma?
Integer.
Integer.
Adding it. And account balance?
Decimal.
NT.
Decimal.
Yeah, here
And
I have one
under
query that
warranty?
account balance will be negative also, right?
I will tell you. Wait a minute. Under warranty?
Decimals.
True or false? Boolean.
It's true or false.
Integer.
Boolean value. Yes or no?
Yes.
And I can take the yes or no, true or false, and under warranty yes or no, like that. So we are having true or false actually. And one more thing. One more thing. Purchase date. Purchase date. This one, which data type it should accept?
Date and time.
Date and time. Or yes, perfect.
Date.
Purchase date. And which time my technician should reach. My technician should visit. So what I need to give? Date is fine or date and time as well?
Date and
Date
time.
and
Time
time.
as well.
Yeah. Why? Because we are giving like this. So as you can see here, we are having all these things. Audio in the sense like the way in the WhatsApp we will be trying to add some audio and send it, right? In the same way, you will be adding some audio and then give it. Calendar, date, time, choice. So this is also important. So model type. So which type of data type it can accept? Tell me. Model type. We are having washing machines. We are having refrigerators. We do have fans. We do have computers. We do have accessories. All those types. So model type will comes under which
Choice.
data type? Choice.
String.
Choice.
Perfect.
String.
String. I mean, limited choices will be there. Like if you are giving the choice, he can enter the choice. He can enter the device which is not existing with his company. There might be something, right? You will. We do have LG. In LG, do we have laptops for LG? No, right? Do we have laptops?
Yes,
No,
we do
no,
have,
no.
sir. No.
We do have.
Yes.
Yes, sir, we have.
LG laptops.
LG
LG
Gram
laptops we
laptop is
have.
available now.
I don't think so. I haven't seen.
LG Gram, sir. Yes.
Oh, okay. Is it anyone buy this?
No, I have worked in LG, right? So I know.
Good, good. Is it okay? And my concern is like model type. He should enter the devices which the company is offering, not more than that. Okay, and then save it. That's it, right? Number, name, and all this.
Sir, here I have one doubt.
Yes, please go ahead.
Yes. Like in the account number, we have chose the type of integer, right?
Ah,
So by mistakenly in the we have selected like a string for the data type. Whether we can
okay.
edit that one here
Yes, why not?
to
Again, you
change the
need to click
data
on
type.
configure dictionary. I will tell you that one for sure.
Okay.
Again, you can change from string to integer to. You are having that option to change. So that's the reason whenever you are trying to create a new field, you should be very conscious. To create these particular things which we have done in 5 minutes, in our organization, we will be giving around 15 to 20 days. That's the reason itself.
Okay.
If it is a big table, if you are creating a table, minimum to minimum you should create in 15 days. Like whatever the things which the business analyst has given, it should be very understandable way. If you are not understanding as well, you need to check everything and then do it. Now let us try to do that. Now customer name. Actually, the customer name we can accept from. Array, it's already 10:22. Can I go ahead, for 2 minutes?
Yes,
I
sure.
Yes,
let's
please.
try to check
Yes.
how this behavior is working. Okay, so just click on this, and we are taking the names from the user table, right? So this is perfect. Issue description. Whatever the things which you are trying to do, it is accepted. Now account number. If I'm giving the numbers, will it accept?
No.
Yes.
Will accept?
Num
Account
Okay,
numbers
will
will
accept
be
is
number
only
very
itself
accept.
important.
will accept.
It will accept only
Numbers.
numbers. See, even if I give some other names like special characters and numbers, and if I'm giving some number, it is accepting only numbers. If you see
Yes.
here,
Yes, it will accept
actually
only.
the user will not make a mistake, na? See, as some Madani, you said no. The account number
Yeah.
might be some negative values.
Yeah.
It will accept the negative account number. Sorry,
Okay,
the
but this
balance
is
also, right?
manual giving, right? I mean,
Balance will be asking, I think.
Sorry, which one, ma?
for balance, I have
Balance.
asked, and that
Balance will asking
Let us
he.
try to check. Balance, it will accept the points as well. Let us try to give minus. Yeah, it's accepting the minus value. No problem at all.
But account is there is
But
no
no one
minus.
will edit this one, Nama. Edit. No one should edit, na. It should automatically generated. The account balance should automatically generated. Yes or no? When you are
Yes.
trying to withdraw, the account balance should automatically withdraw the account balance. I mean, balance minus that particular thing. We will see this one later. I mean, this type of enhancement we will come. It will, I
okay.
mean, as soon as you deduct some of the amount, the account balance should decrease. If you are trying to add some, add some balance to your account, then some balance needs to get added. All these things we will be doing in future. Okay, as you can see, account under warranty. Yes or no? If it is yes, then fine. If it is no, then fine. So one more thing, I will be saying you one interview question like when you are clicking on under warranty, then only the purchase date should get reflected. You are getting my point.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
When you are unchecking this one, this purchase date should not be there. Why? Because if it is under warranty, then only the technician should check when this particular date has been taken. It should be below 1 year. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
And that type of enhancements I will teach you. And one more thing is like the purchase date can be the future date.
No.
The purchase date, as per your understanding, the purchase date can be the future date.
No, sir.
No.
Good. This type of enhancements we will be doing it later. So this one,
So here, and I mean, the purchase date is depend on the under warranty, right? I mean,
yes,
the field, which is
yes.
okay.
I mean, we haven't done any enhancement for now. We just taken the fields and the data types. That's it. We are only concerned about that. I was just out of my curious. I was telling you this type of interview questions they will ask
Okay, okay.
in the model type. So we need to add some models, right? Laptops, desktops, LG desktops. We do have all those things, na? So we need to add all everything. So I'm done for the day for today, ma. Okay, if we teach more, it will burden you. So let us join tomorrow.
See, here, Imran, I have one doubt that in the customer name we have a set of users, right? So
Correct.
likewise, why can't we have model types here? I mean, here we haven't, input the data of users.
Hmm.
As you said that when I have asked regarding model type, then obviously already there will be a set of list of model types in the organization. You said, right?
Yes.
But here this none is reflecting. So are
None
we
in the sense
gonna?
you are not selecting any device. You just need to have a small helper. That's it. So if you
Okay.
want to add some more things here, let me try to add some choices. Actually, choices, I should say 3 ways to create a
Okay.
choice. That's the reason I'm not saying.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah.
So here we can add some choices like LG, desktops, laptops, all those type of things we can add it. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry, turn on the video. Yeah. I'm done for the day for today. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Let us
Yeah,
meet
thanks.
tomorrow or Monday. Okay.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you so much for your
Thank
time.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Thank
can
you.
you
Bye.
share this video, sir?
I have shared now. You don't you
This
received it?
one. This one.
As soon as possible, I will add it here only.
Okay.
Or else I will add it in YouTube or okay. I will update you on the call itself on the status. Please try to check my status. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Till afternoon, I will share it, whether it is in this one or else in YouTube. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much, ma. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.